Does the top rack on your GE dishwasher struggle to pull out or maybe push back in? Well, I'm Dustin, the Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the right side slide for this top rack. It's super simple. I'll show you step by step, so let's jump right in. This GE dishwasher uses left and right rack slides to support the top rack. While they look similar, the left and right slide are two different part numbers and designed to fit only the left or right side. Each slide comes with a pre-installed rail end hook that's designed to stop the rack as it rolls out. This plastic hook is not sold separate, so if yours is broken, the entire slide will need to be replaced. The slides roll on to the two tub rollers mounted to the side of the tub, allowing the rack to glide smoothly. Over time, the slides can become damaged, bent, dented, or corroded, making it harder to slide the rack in and out. Each slide is secured by a rear end cap, which is sold separately. If your tub rollers are damaged or worn, be sure to check out our tub roller replacement video. If you need a replacement right side rack slide, visit PartsDoctor.com. We offer fast shipping and only sell manufacturer-approved genuine replacement parts for all major appliance brands. There are no tools needed for this repair. To remove the rack slide, first open the dishwasher door and slide out the top rack. At the end of the slides, you'll see an upward turn hook that holds the rack into place. Slightly lift the rack to clear the front rollers, then pull it forward so the rear rollers reach the end of the slides. Lift the rack free and set it aside. Pull the slide all the way forward and locate the rear end cap. This cap keeps the slide on the tub rollers. To remove it, release the locking tab with your finger towards the inside of the tub. Gently pull the slide forward to confirm that the end cap is free. Then set it aside for use later. With the end cap removed, pull the slide off the two tub rollers. Once the rollers are exposed, check that they spin freely, show no excessive corrosion, and are firmly attached to the tub. If the roller is loose, tighten its screw with a T20 Torx bit. If it doesn't spin freely, it should be replaced. If you need to order a new right side slide and end hook, avoid ordering cheap aftermarket parts. Genuine OEM parts, like the ones we sell at PartsDoctor.com, perform better and last longer. Reference the full model number from your appliance's tag to get the correct part. To install your new slide, align the end without the hook onto the first tub roller, then slide it over the second roller. Test the slide to make sure that it moves easily over the rollers. If not, remove it and inspect the rollers. Once the slide moves easily, place the end cap on the slide with the tab facing the inside of the tub. Slide it on until the locking tab snaps into place. Test to be sure that the end cap is on by pulling the slide towards you. It should stay in place and prevent the slide from coming off the rollers. Return the top rack of the dishwasher. Some models have two sets of 3 wheels per side, letting you adjust the rack's height for more space below or clearance above. Choose your desired setting and align the end hook with the rear rollers. Once both sides are aligned, slide the rack back and align the front rollers the same way. Move the rack slowly to test, then close the door. Your dishwasher is now ready to use. Well, that'll do it for another repair. As always, I'm Dustin, the Parts Doctor. Until next time, thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.